So we're going over the notebooks again, and this time we're going to do loading your data bundle. So I'm just going to copy the code and change dates to make sure everything works as expected. What we're going to do in this notebook is basically using the data that we've ingested and see it output, the output in the notebook, so we could work with it and do whatever we want. So let's just do that. So first thing, we got to make sure that the data is, the path to the data is set as expected, where we put the data before. This is loading the data bundle. We are using Alpaca API. You could use whatever one you want. Here we are going to set the data portal and going to change the dates. These dates are pre-tested to make sure everything works as expected. And now we could access the data. Just a reminder, we have ingested only 3 equities, right? So it was Apple, Google, and Tesla, which is not this one. So this will not work, right? Because Aces was not found. Change it to one of the ones we did ingest, and we can get the data from the past few days. And we could see it for other ingested stocks as well. So that's that.